Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Josie here, and today, as you can already tell, I'm back with another Yankee Twist Crochet hairstyle. Again, in this video I'll be trying out a new and different braid pattern as well. So the hair is from Youngther hair on Amazon. The direct link will be in the description. This is their 12 inches Yankee Twist Crochet hair in the color 1B, and it came in a pack of 6. That's actually my second time installing a Yankee Twist from the store. I really loved it the first time, which was the 3-tone colored, and so here I am trying out a different color. The video is on the channel if you want to check that out. Now, taking the hair out of the pack, it has no funny smell, and although it says the material is synthetic or fiber, it does feel soft. Again, the twist is handmade and it's well twisted from top to bottom. There's no loose twist. It came pre-looped as well, and so it's really easy to install. As you can see, it's super stretchy and the curls are very bouncy. There's nothing to hate about this hair, and for the price, it's really a steal. It comes with a free crochet pin as well. Now, moving on to the important part of this video. If you're a viewer of this channel, you know when it comes to crochet hairstyles, my go-to is a simple basic or back cornrows. However, this braid pattern was recommended to me on here and I decided to give it a try, and let me tell you, I really love this. So instead of doing an all back cornrow for the whole head, I'd rather be doing short mini cornrows in the front from ear to ear. You can as well do this for the perimeter of your head. I'm not too good at braiding the back of my head this way, so I'll just stick with the front for now. Also, with the size of the cornrows, I'm doing small cornrows. The hair is a mini twist, so it's only right I do mini cornrows if I'm trying to create the illusion of my hair being braided. Again, the cornrows are about 2 to 3 inches long. I really recommend you try this method out. It's a real cheat code if you want your crochet braids to appear more natural, and it's super fast as well. So I have the side all braided. I had 8 cornrows. I'll go ahead and do same for the side as well. Now the whole front is braided up. It's a total of 16 cornrows. Next up, I'm going to braid all the ends together into one cornrow. So once you're done with this, for the rest of the hair, you can go ahead and braid it into however you want. It doesn't really matter. Now moving on, the hair came in a pack of 6, with each pack having 40 strands of twist, so 240 strands in total. It also came pre-looped, so all you have to do is loosen up the twist like this and then go ahead and crochet it in. Once you have it crocheted in, double knot to secure it better. And that's that. We have our first twist crocheted in. This is basically the easiest part of this tutorial. Also, if you noticed, I'm crocheting 2 strands of the twist at a time for the back because I want more volume there. And with the spacing, I'm leaving about half an inch space between each crochet. This hair doesn't require much. It's really easy and fast to install. I'll quickly finish up with the back and I'll be back when I get to the front. Now when it comes to the front, I'll be crocheting in singles. Also, I'll be double knotting as well, which is very necessary in creating the illusion. You want the knot to be visible and also the twist really secured in. You can even triple knot and that's fine, but never single knot, because with single knots it easily loosens up and you don't want that. Again, make sure to crochet as close to the edge as possible so there is no much space left in the front, because that will look very weird. I'm leaving about half an inch space between each crochet. As usual, you want it full but not clustered. Finally done with the whole head. I have all the hair crocheted in. I used all 6 packs, so that's all 240 strands, and it's really giving volume. The hair is super springy, flowy, and the curls are very bouncy. Also, it's very natural and lightweight as usual, and I really love how it's arranged in the front. So I trimmed it just a bit, and now I'm going to quickly add in some baby hairs, which is completely optional. Now I'm finally done with everything, and as always, it came out looking cute. Yanky Twist never misses, and this method is a real game changer. Now for maintenance, I had this hair in for over a month, and it doesn't really require much maintenance. All I did was to either spray in some water or add in a mousse, then finger comb through, and I'm good to go. If you want to be extra bougie, you can add in some leave-in conditioner or some curling cream as well. And make sure to wrap it before bedtime. Again, this hair hardly tangles and the twist never unravels. It really lasts longer. Now for my final thoughts on this hair and the method, I really love the outcome. This is a great alternative if you want the trendy minute twist. However, you don't want to sit for hours or spend hundreds to get it. This was made under 2 hours and it does have the same effect. Also, it's budget friendly. The hair lasts longer and can be reused as well. So you don't have to break the bank to get the style done. This is really an affordable option. If you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section. Also, let me know what you think. The link to the hair will be in the description. They have them available in different colors and length. Hopefully, I'll try the other colors as well. The rest of the slides has some cute ways I styled it, so enjoy, and thank you all so much for watching. Kindly subscribe and turn on post notification. Give this video a thumbs up if you learned something new today, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.